celebrity.
Can you point? Can you
He
point?
was just out there. Martin.
Which one are you?
He's not out here anymore. But,
Okay.
walking around like he's a freaking celebrity. It's like you almost killed somebody.
Wow. Yep. Literally.
Yeah, I even went up to him and asked him if he was all right.
To the guy.
Yeah. In my head, I wanted to say, what the hell's the matter?
Yeah.
And I figured maybe that would give him incentive to.
Yeah. To extend it.
I
Yeah.
didn't mean it. John still thinks he tried to kill him. And you know what? If I was face to face with a person that ran through a wall and didn't even say sorry, I'd probably think the same thing.
Yeah.
Maybe
True.
the guy was trying to get
True. I know. I. That's the first kind of the first thing.
Today and hasn't said sorry, nothing. I'd be a little weird about that. I'm so tired. It's not even funny.
When you leave at 5.
I'm leaving soon. I was waiting for Mark to show up, but I don't think he's going to. I just texted my wife. I'm like, I may be lost. It's like, I bet. Like, well, it's been a long couple of days.
Yeah. I wish I could have literally been a fly on that wall yesterday. I'm literally.
No, you don't, because I felt like the fly couldn't stop. Like, because I was bouncing back and trying to make sure they were okay, make sure nobody was outside, make sure they were all right,
True, yeah.
make sure the building was all right.
Foundation.
Set breakers,
What did the fire department? It's the foundation.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
He only
good.
hit the wall. He pushed the AC.
Oh, okay. Did it come out the AC? You pushed it. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it.
Just pushed it.
Excuse me, can I have a card?
Yeah.
For room 244.
Sure. You want one card or two?
Two.
2 cards, Martin.
244 and 251.
244, 251. 244. Here's 244.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. 251 is the blue one. That's 251, okay?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Wow, is that time already? You leaving? Have a nice day. Happy Easter. If I don't see you, happy Easter. I'll be here tomorrow. Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. Happy resurrection.